Zavardi Official. Click here to subscribe. First thing to do is to measure the length and the width of your pillow. And once you've taken the measurement, just add 1 to 2 inches seam allowance. And I'm using a regular size pillow and it measures 16 by 24 inches. And don't forget to add an overlap with 8 to 10 inches. Then fold the fabric the same way that you had seen by rule. Then measure 18 inches. Then cut. Unfold the fabric and measure 58 inches. Now fold it twice, then pin and sew. Do the same step for the other side. Then fold the fabric with the wrong side out. And measure 24 inches. Now fold the extra fabric. This serves as the overlap. Cut the side to know where you fold the overlap. Now sew the sides. I use zigzag stitch to overlap the seam. Since my machine doesn't have any of it, this is one of the ways to lock the side seams. If you know other ways, you may comment in the comment section. I'm glad to know your thoughts. Now turn the fabric right side out and cut some excess threads. And this is how it looks when done. Your overlap pillowcase is now ready. Just insert your pillow and it's done. And oh, by the way, I made 5 pieces of it. I love the way it is. My pillow is tucked in and won't come out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.